Meaning of enterprise zone.
Enterprise zone.
Enterprise zone.
Enterprise zone.
Enterprise zone. An enterprise zone is a designated geographical area where the government offers incentives and tax breaks to promote economic development and job creation. These incentives include reduced taxes, streamlined regulations, and access to financing. The goal of an enterprise zone is to attract businesses to the area and to increase investment and employment opportunities for local residents. By creating more jobs and generating economic growth, enterprise zones can help to revitalize struggling communities and improve overall quality of life for residents.